What's the meaning of corrupt? Corrupt. Corrupt.
Corrupt. Corrupt. The word corrupt refers to the act of dishonesty or unethical behavior by individuals in positions of power, often for personal gain. It can manifest in various forms such as bribery, fraud, and embezzlement. The result of corruption is a breach of trust between the public and those in power, leading to a breakdown in societal norms and functioning. Corruption can also have significant economic consequences, impeding growth and contributing to poverty. Ultimately, corrupt practices erode the legitimacy of institutions and undermine democracy.